Hello my dear student, CBSE board exam for the session 2020 and 21 are going to start from the month of March. Hardly few months are left for it. Children, in this video I am going to share few tips and tricks so that you can excel in your exam. My video is divided into two major parts. First, what you have to do before the exam, how you are going to study for it, and what you have to do during the exam. Children, watch this video till end. It will surely benefit you. Now children, I am going to share few tips that you have to follow before the exam so that you can overcome the fear of exam. My tip number 1 is that start preparing from today itself. Don't wait for a particular day because few months are left for your exam. So start it from today itself. For that, you have to prepare an effective timetable. That is very important. Children, not only making, but you have to follow that timetable judiciously. That is very important. My tip number 3 is that you have to disconnect yourself from all the social media activities, parties, and friends. I know it will be difficult for you, but you have to focus only and only on your studies. Give equal time for all the subjects because all subjects are equally important for you. Analyze, practice more and more. Try to solve previous year question paper and CBSE sample papers. Children, these are going to help you. During this time, you have to focus on few confusing type of question like assertion and reasoning type of question. Case studies, practice them more and more. Discuss these type of question with your subject teacher. It will help you. Strictly follow the instructions, the rules, regulations that are given by your subject teachers. It will surely help you to overcome the fear of exam. Children, your subject teachers are your well-wisher, so follow them effectively. During this time, you have to exercise, you have to take proper rest, and you have to take balanced diet. This is very important because you are going to face an exam. Children, read all the instructions. Whenever you get your admit card, read all the instructions that are given on the admit card. That is very important. Collect all the stationery items that are needed for your exam. Now children, these are the tips that you have to follow during the exam. When you enter the exam cell, feel free, relax yourself, do not panic, do not become too excited. As soon as you get the answer sheet, write all the instructions, write all the entries very carefully, neatly, and do not scribble. You get 15 minutes time for reading the question paper. Utilize this 15 minutes time very effectively. Make plan, make strategy during this time. During this time, you can read all the questions very carefully. You can go through all the questions that are quite confusing like assertion, reasoning, and case studies. This is the best time when you can go through such type of questions. Children, and after that you can write them properly. Then after that, my important tip is that attempt 5-mark question in the beginning. Sometimes you can feel that you have less time in the end. So it is better to attempt all the 5-mark question in the beginning, and in the end you can do 1-mark and 2-mark question. That will not require much time. Next tip, if you're not able to understand any English word or question properly, then you can see the Hindi for that. Every question is written in Hindi and English also. So you can refer to that. Next tip children, always follow the marking of each and every question. Don't write too much. For 1-mark question, 2-mark question, don't write too much. You will only waste your time. Even for 5-mark question, write in points because writing too much is not required. But writing to the point is important. Then my next tip, that take care of internal choices. There are internal choices in 2-mark question, 3-mark question, and even in 5-mark question. See both the options very carefully and attempt the best one for you. Whatever is best for you, attempt that. That is important. Children, while writing, make sure that you are writing neatly, correctly. and have proper space between your answers, because you have too many pages in your answer sheet. So write neatly and correctly. Children, attempt all the questions because there is no negative marking. So don't leave any question unattempted. Is it clear? At least try and attempt all the questions. After attempting all the questions, make it sure that you have done everything. There is no question that is left. Children, for that you have to revise your entire paper twice and thrice. Do not hurry to submit your answer sheet. Revise it twice and thrice, satisfy yourself, then submit it. Children, these were the tips. I am sure that these tips will help you to do best in your exam. All the best, children. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, and excel in your board exam. All the best. Thank you.